When we gaze up at the night sky, we are often awed by the grandeur of majestic spiral galaxies, the sparkling brilliance of star clusters, and the shimmering dance of nebulae. Yet, amid these luminous giants, the universe quietly harbors countless smaller worlds, faint, elusive, and often overlooked. These are dwarf galaxies. Tiny by cosmic standards, they contain only a few million to a few billion stars, a mere fraction of the Milky Way's hundreds of billions. Their light is dim, their presence subtle, sometimes appearing as little more than smudges against the dark canvas of space. But their small size belies their enormous importance. In their faint glow and fragile forms, dwarf galaxies carry the imprints of cosmic history, the secrets of galaxy formation, and the elusive nature of dark matter. They are the universe's hidden treasures, silent witnesses to the grand narrative of creation. This is the story of a hunt, a quest to uncover these tiny cosmic gems, to understand their mysteries, and to unlock their secrets. The tale of dwarf galaxies begins not in the distant reaches of the cosmos, but close to home. Astronomers first suspected their existence in the early 20th century, when small, fuzzy objects were spotted near bright galaxies. Initially dismissed as star clusters or distant clouds, further study revealed these objects were entire galaxies, miniature in scale, yet complete worlds unto themselves. These discoveries were not straightforward. The faintness of dwarf galaxies made them difficult to distinguish from foreground stars and background noise. Their stars were sparse and dim, challenging astronomers to push the limits of their instruments. It was only with the advent of more powerful telescopes, wide-field surveys, and sensitive detectors that astronomers could begin to systematically uncover these faint neighbors. Each discovery expanded our understanding of the universe's complexity and diversity. But dwarf galaxies were more than just small. They were survivors, enduring billions of years amidst gravitational tides, supernova explosions, and cosmic collisions. They held clues to the earliest epochs of galaxy formation. Our own Milky Way is orbited by dozens of dwarf galaxies, tiny companions caught in its gravitational embrace. Some lie close enough to be resolved into individual stars. Others linger farther out, nearly invisible against the cosmic background. These dwarfs vary enormously. Some are compact, densely packed with stars, while others are diffuse and stretched thin, their stars spread across vast regions. Some contain young, hot stars blazing with new light. Others are dominated by old, red stars that have lived for billions of years. Their diversity is a living record of cosmic evolution. Some dwarfs have been slowly consumed by the Milky Way, their stars stripped away in vast tidal streams. Others have remained isolated, their evolution untouched by larger neighbors. Studying these nearby dwarfs gives us a window into the processes that shape galaxies, the dance of gravitational forces, and the recycling of matter across cosmic time. Detecting dwarf galaxies is one of astronomy's greatest challenges. Their faint light can be easily overwhelmed by the glow of foreground stars in our own galaxy or the glare of more distant cosmic objects. For decades, many dwarfs escaped detection simply because our eyes, and even early telescopes, were not sensitive enough. It was only with advances in wide-field digital surveys and powerful image processing techniques that we began to uncover the true population of these hidden galaxies. Large sky surveys like the Sloan Digital Sky Survey, SDSS, revolutionized the field by scanning vast portions of the sky in exquisite detail. This allowed astronomers to identify subtle overdensities of stars moving together, signatures of dwarf galaxies. More recently, the Dark Energy Survey and other ambitious projects have pushed detection limits even further, revealing dozens of ultra-faint dwarfs that had long lurked just beyond our reach. Yet for every dwarf we find, many more remain unseen, lurking behind interstellar dust, blending with star fields, or simply too faint for even our best instruments. One of the most astonishing revelations about dwarf galaxies is their relationship with dark matter, the invisible substance that makes up roughly 85% of all matter in the universe. Unlike large galaxies, where stars and gas contribute significantly to the total mass, dwarf galaxies are dominated by dark matter. Their stars are mere tracers embedded in massive halos of invisible mass. By observing the motions of stars within these dwarfs, astronomers can infer the gravitational influence of their dark matter halos. This provides invaluable clues about the nature of dark matter, how it behaves, clusters, and shapes the cosmos. Dwarf galaxies serve as natural laboratories for testing theories of dark matter. They help distinguish between different particle candidates, constrain the properties of dark matter interactions, and reveal the small-scale structure of the cosmic web. In their faint glow, these little galaxies illuminate some of the darkest mysteries of physics. Many dwarf galaxies are relics from the earliest era of galaxy formation, cosmic fossils that have survived nearly unchanged for over 13 billion years. Their stars bear the chemical signatures of primordial gas clouds that had yet to be enriched by generations of supernova explosions and star formation. By studying their compositions, astronomers glimpsed the universe as it was shortly after the Big Bang. Some dwarfs have experienced episodic bursts of star formation, followed by long periods of quiescence. Others have remained quiet, preserving the pristine conditions of the early cosmos. These ancient galaxies serve as time capsules, revealing how the first stars ignited, how the first metals were forged, and how the cosmic landscape was shaped during its infancy. Through dwarfs, we connect the present universe to its distant past. The hunt for dwarf galaxies is accelerating into a new age. Soon, the Vera C. Rubin Observatory's Legacy Survey of Space and Time, LSSD, will begin scanning the entire southern sky with unprecedented depth and speed. LSSD promises to uncover thousands of new dwarf galaxies, both near and far, dramatically increasing our census of these faint objects and expanding our understanding of galaxy formation and dark matter. Upcoming space missions and next-generation ground telescopes will complement these surveys, allowing astronomers to study dwarfs in greater detail, probing their star formation histories, chemical compositions, and dark matter halos. Each new discovery brings fresh insight and new questions. The universe is a vast treasure trove, and the smallest galaxies continue to surprise us with their complexity and significance. As our eyes and instruments grow sharper, the hidden treasures of the cosmos are finally coming into view. The universe is often defined by its extremes: immense black holes, exploding stars, sprawling galaxies. But in the delicate dance of the cosmos, it is the smallest worlds that often hold the grandest stories. Dwarf galaxies teach us about resilience and survival in a turbulent universe. They are the living archives of cosmic history, the testbeds of fundamental physics, and the key to understanding our own place in the universe. These faint companions remind us that even the smallest and most unassuming objects can illuminate the deepest mysteries. In the quiet outskirts of space, the hidden treasures of dwarf galaxies beckon us onward, inviting us to listen closely, to explore bravely, and to never stop searching. For in these tiny galaxies, the universe whispers its secrets, and through them, we glimpse the vast, interconnected tapestry of existence.